had 17 beauty products to finish up for the rest of this year. Let's see how I have done in November. The makeup, I actually have 3 products. The first one is a mascara. This is the Smashbox Super Fan Mascara. It's only a mini. These days I only use up mini mascara because, you know, it doesn't even make sense to buy full-sized mascara when you have to bin them in a couple of months. The only full-sized mascara that I will absolutely repurchase is the Essence False Lash Effect Lash Princess Mascara. And that too, I prefer the waterproof version. So I won't be repurchasing this. I think I got this as a gift with purchase. Now, the next thing is actually an eyeshadow quad from Fleur de Force, which I got in a Feel Unique Advent calendar back when it was actually Feel Unique before it became. So for now, I actually banned 3 of the shades, as you can see there. The 4th shade is not banned, but you know, my target was a whole eyeshadow palette for this year. I haven't achieved that, but I have managed 3 out of 4, which isn't bad, you know. And this shade, you know, I don't think I will be using it up on a daily basis because, you know, it is quite a, you know, it gives me a smoky look. This shade, so this may not ever get banned, and I don't use a smoky look every day. If I want, you know, a bolder look, I don't go for smoky, I go for multi-chrome. Anyway, I won't be repurchasing that either. So one eyeliner, Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner. This again, I think I got it in a care package or something because, you know, I won't buy this. The eyeliner that I will go for is the Essence Waterproof Eyeliner because it's A, really cheap, B, waterproof, C, does the job properly and, you know, works well with my klutzy hands. D, doesn't dry up or anything. So I won't be repurchasing this either. Now let's move to skincare. Innisfree J2 Volcanic Pore Cleansing Foam Cleanser. This is only a sample. I won't be repurchasing this. Again, this was a gift with purchase when I bought the black tea serum from Innisfree. I used to hate foaming cleansers because I thought, you know, foam equals bad for you. But the foaming cleansers from Korea don't necessarily contain sulfate, you know. It's a different technology that they use, you know, no sulfates actually. They may contain cocoa amidopropyl betaine, which is a surfactant which isn't as harsh as sulfates. But you know, I think there was a lot of fear-mongering over foam a few years ago, and yes, my mind has been changed, particularly after my skin went bonkers due to the vaccine. There's a video on that if you're interested. So I actually liked this, but I won't be repurchasing it because the rice water cleansing foam from the Face Shop is a lot nicer, so I will be repurchasing the Face Shop foaming cleanser instead. Toner, I've got 2 products. The first, because there was some acne, which is gone now, the Aquel 5.5 pH Balancing Licorice Toner. I actually liked this. It was quite mild, you know, not at all harsh. I don't think it was actually acid. It was basically licorice and the pH is 5.5. But I won't be repurchasing this because I think my acne is now really under control again. Hopefully that will last. But the thing is, you know, because of my hand, I'm unable to do proper cleansing and my skincare properly with both hands. So I don't know if I will get because of that. The next product is an absolute favorite. This is my 2nd bottle of it, I think. SKII Treatment Essence. I started using this regularly last year. Now I think it is my 3rd bottle. Now I've got a giant bottle as well, which I'm currently, what I do is I decant the entire thing into a spray bottle and then spritz it. Well, this size bottle lasts me about 3 months. So this is my 2nd in this size, which is 75 mils, people. But I also have a 230 ml giant bottle currently being used. So will I repurchase? Absolutely. I intend to buy this size on Black Friday this year. The thing is, with SKII, if you stop using it, that's when I see the difference. I feel that my face isn't as you know, controlled or, you know, under control as it is when I am using SKII. I feel that the oiliness is under control. I feel that the dehydration is under control. I feel that the flakiness is under control. I feel that the breakout-iness is under control. I feel that the dullness is under control. I feel that my pores are under control with this. I don't know if it's psychological or something, but yeah, this really works for me. Absolutely love it. Will always. I've tried a billion dupes of this, including the Numbuzin toner. Sorry, nothing but SKII. Now, because there was a lot of acne, E-Cooking Acne Serum. I think this was my last bottle of this stuff. Or do I have one more left? I don't know. I've got to check. This is a salicylic acid based serum. It is meant for all over face application for when you have acne. But what I did is I used it as a spot treatment, and it really works for me. I love the serum. It is oil free and it works a treat. Will I be repurchasing it? I think I've already got one more bottle. Now this came in last year's cohorted advent calendar. Irene Ford Hibiscus Cream, people. Let me open that with one hand. Hang on. Yeah, all gone, as you can see there. It was fragranced and it wasn't very, it wasn't like CeraVe or, Vanny Cream or one of those petroleum jelly based products, but it was a decent daytime moisturizer. My skin was really dehydrated, flaky and oily, if that even makes sense. Oily in the T-zone, but really dehydrated and flaky post-wax. So I've got to throw all the petroleum jelly and all the moisturizers at it, and this actually worked quite well. Will I be repurchasing? No, because this jar costs £88. £88. Oh my god, that's why it took me a whole year to use up. So I won't be repurchasing it at that price, because you get CeraVe, 453 grams of it for, peanuts. So I will be sticking to something much cheaper. Mask, because there was acne. Ren Clarimat Invisipores detox mask. It was actually clay based, I feel, and it wasn't overly drying though. It was kind of absorbed the gunk out feeling, if that makes sense. I enjoyed using it, but I won't be repurchasing it. There are too many masks to use up, and I'm not really a masking person because I don't have the patience to sit there with something and then go and rinse it off. No, if at all I use a mask, it is a sleeping bag which I can leave on. I don't like having to rinse my face after I've already cleansed it. Bath and Body. Stop whatever you're doing right now and go and buy this from Bath and Body Works immediately. Honestly, this is the Dark Velvet Oud from Bath and Body Works. The smell is so darn good, people. Really good. The notes are raspberry sugar, velvety rose, and rich oud. Now, as you can see, it's all gone, and I've actually cut it open. So I loved it so much, I bought another one, a backup. I'm definitely going to repurchase this when Bath & Body Works have their semi-annual sale or for Black Friday, depending on whichever is the better deal, or when they do 2 for 1. This, going forward, after I finish all the Bath & Body Works and body butters that I have, will be my go-to. The fragrance lasts so long, and people have actually told me, you smell really nice. Thank you. It's Bath & Body Works Dark Velvet Oud. Bath & Body Works sells in many different countries around the world, and for those who are in the UK, the good news is Bath & Body Works do sell in the UK now. There are standalone stores in several cities as well as online retail. Please do check it out and look for Dark Velvet Oud. But you might want to smell it before in store though, because since people have different tastes, and these things are very subjective. You may not love it. I do. I adore it. And, I've been complimented for this. Warning, the smell is not, very mild and, a few, something that just, is a gentle little breeze. This kind of hits you in the eye. So if you like your, really long lasting fragrances, Bath & Body products, this one. So very quickly, that's 10 products that I've used up this month, and that leaves me with 7 products to finish up in December. We will see if I get there. Stay tuned to find out what have you finished in November. Do tell me in the comments below. I would love to know what your trash is. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.